The Nothing Phone 3A is the latest addition to Nothing's innovative smartphone lineup, officially unveiled on February 26, 2025. This model continues the brand's signature transparent design, offering a unique aesthetic that showcases the device's internal components. The Nothing Phone 3A continues the brand's tradition of innovative design, featuring a transparent polycarbonate back panel that showcases its internal components, offering a unique aesthetic appeal. The device measures 163.5 by 77.5 by 8.4 mm and weighs 211 grams, providing a substantial yet comfortable feel in hand. Notably, the Phone 3A introduces an asymmetrical camera bump with a prominent circular module, housing the rear cameras and accented by the signature Glyph interface lighting system. This design evolution not only enhances visual interest but also maintains the minimalist and futuristic ethos characteristic of Nothing's product lineup. The Nothing Phone 3A features a 6.77-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels, delivering sharp visuals and vibrant colors. The screen supports a 120 Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth scrolling and responsive interactions. Notably, it boasts an impressive peak brightness of 3000 nits, enhancing visibility even under direct sunlight. The display is protected by Panda glass, offering durability against scratches and minor impacts. Overall, the Phone 3A's display provides an immersive and high-quality viewing experience suitable for various multimedia applications. The Nothing Phone 3A is powered by the Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset, an octa-core processor with a maximum frequency of 2.50 GHz, paired with the Adreno 810 GPU. This configuration ensures efficient performance for multitasking and daily applications. In benchmark tests, the Phone 3A achieved a single-core score of 1,181 and a multi-core score of 3,302 in Geekbench 6.4.0 for Android, positioning it competitively within the mid-range smartphone market. The device comes equipped with 12 GB of RAM, facilitating smooth operation and responsive user experience. The Nothing Phone 3A introduces a versatile triple rear camera system. This setup includes a 50MP main sensor with an f/1.9 aperture, offering improved light capture, 64% more than previous models, resulting in clearer and more detailed images. Complementing the main sensor is a 50MP periscope telephoto lens providing 3x optical zoom. Additionally, an 8MP ultra-wide camera expands the field of view for capturing broader scenes. The Nothing Phone 3A features a 32MP front-facing camera with an f/2.5 aperture, designed to deliver high-quality selfies and support 1080p video recording at 60 frames per second. The Nothing Phone 3A offers two configurations to cater to different user needs, an 8GB RAM model with 256GB of internal storage and a 12GB RAM variant with 256GB of storage. Both configurations utilize LPDDR5 RAM technology, ensuring efficient multitasking and smooth performance. The Nothing Phone 3A is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, providing reliable endurance for daily use. While specific battery life metrics are not yet available, the device's efficient hardware suggests it can comfortably last through a full day of typical usage. Charging capabilities include 50W wired charging, enabling a 50% charge in approximately 21 minutes and a full charge in about 56 minutes. However, the Phone 3A does not support wireless. Pros: unique transparent design with Glyph lighting. 120 Hz OLED display for smooth visuals. Decent performance with Snapdragon chipset. Versatile camera setup with improved zoom. Cons: no expandable storage. No wireless charging support. Camera performance may not match flagship-level devices. Conclusion: the Nothing Phone 3A stands out with its transparent design and solid performance, offering a compelling choice for users seeking a blend of aesthetics and functionality. While it lacks wireless charging and a telephoto lens, the device compensates with its impressive display, capable camera system, and efficient performance, all at a competitive price point.